Good day, all you lovely listeners. Welcome to the Emerald Yards podcast. I'm your host, Julian Kaiser, grandson of the owner, Scott Kaiser. I'll also be the voice for all future podcasts and advertisements. I'll also be the insider to all your Emerald Yards news, information, and other Emerald Yards content. If you're looking to have a beautiful lawn, be sure to visit our website at www.emeraldyards.com. For an estimate service planner application, Emerald Yards is a full-service landscaping company. We offer hardscaping, mowing services, lawn leveling, and so much more. We also offer financing for up to 24 months with 0% interest rate. Please view and visit www.emeraldyards.com for all your landscaping needs. Emerald Yards is your healthy lawn specialist. Thanks for taking your time to visit my podcast as we look forward to servicing you in the future. This is Julian Kaiser. Until next time, have a good day.